Hey there, welcome to another video. Today we're diving into a common problem that users of Mikrotik routers might encounter with their DNS proxy. The issue at hand is that the DNS proxy on Mikrotik routers has a peculiar behavior of deleting the authority section before returning replies to queries. Now, according to RFC 5625, this kind of tampering is generally considered undesirable in the world of networking. Now, let's discuss the solution to this problem. Although it's generally not ideal, it seems that this behavior may not have a significant impact in practice. The DNS proxy on Mikrotik routers is typically used in conjunction with a full recursive resolver, which is expected to always provide a final answer and not a delegation. This feature is more geared towards client-side caching rather than serving as a front end to an authoritative server. Additionally, the authority section in DNS responses mainly holds significance in negative answers like next domain, which the router OS proxy actually preserves. In most cases, you wouldn't expect to see the authority section in positive responses anyway. In summary, while the behavior of the DNS proxy on Mikrotik router OS may not be ideal, it might not have a major practical impact in typical usage scenarios. The deletion of the authority section in responses is a quirk that doesn't seem to disrupt the normal functioning of the DNS proxy. So, if you're experiencing this issue, rest assured that it may not be as problematic as it initially seems. With that said, I hope you found this information helpful. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and leave a comment below with your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and until next time.